Today we will be looking at a new indicator that we developed here on the channel. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a new indicator that we have developed here on the channel. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 87 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 898 indicators, with 375 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 95 of the winning indicators. 35 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at a new indicator that we have developed here on the channel. And so this indicator basically at its core has the strategy that we developed here on the channel, the strategy that I link to and reference in most of the videos now. And so basically what we have done, or what Mike has done from Upright Trading, is he took that initial strategy that was fragmented out into different indicators that he was nice enough to code up for us, and he took them and condensed them into one indicator, and then he optimized it, did his little tricks that he does. He is very great at optimizing indicators and coding them, and he basically dialed it in and made the strategy even better. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the indicator here. And so the initial indicator is a pretty easy setup here. And so basically what we are looking for is the B tags right here, or the S tags right here. And so for example, when we get a B tag, that is going to be a signal to go long. When we get an S tag, that's going to be a signal to go short. So we take a look at, for example, this S tag right here. Once you get an S tag, it basically acts just like a sell signal from the strategy before, just again without so many indicators. And so when we get an S tag or a sell signal, what we are going to do is we are going to measure up to the top of the bodies of the last swing high, and then we are going to target that as our take profit. And so in this particular case, 27 pips is going to be our take profit. And so if we pull up a short position here, there, like so, and we are going to target 27 pips to the downside here, right about like that. And then the stop would go 10 pips above the wicks of the candles on the last swing high. And so would be about, let's see, 39. So we'll say 40, then we'll put it right about 50 as the take profit right there. And so you can see that this comes down nicely and hits our take profit pretty easy there. And so then on the opposite side for a buy signal, you can see we get a buy signal right here, buy tag. What we're going to do is we are going to set our tag there. Same deal. We are going to target 10 pips below the last swing low. And so we'll put that about 45. And then we are going to target the body of that candle. And so you can see that this one doesn't have very many wicks to it, a very large wick at all. And so we're basically targeting it essentially a 1-to-1. And so about 32 pips is what we target to the upside of this one. And you can see once again, we get a nice push to the upside there. And once again, getting us to our take profit. And so you can see that the strategy basically works exactly the way we had it set up before as far as the stop and the take profit goes. Now, there are some other aspects to it that Mike added in. And so you can see that we have some tags here and we have some X's here. And so basically what he has done is he has set up the indicator to also include what would essentially be take profit or kind of built-in stops as well. And this particular version that I'm using now is the clean version. So Mike, often what I'll do is contact Mike and ask him if he can kind of visually clean up an indicator for me. And so he prefers the indicators to have lots of information, which is really great. I prefer them to have little information and very clear buy and sell tags. And so this is clean mode that we are currently on now. If we uncheck clean mode, you see that it adds in even more information there that you can use. High, swing highs, swing lows, lots and lots of information built into this indicator. Mike did an amazing job coding this indicator and the strategy for us. And so once again, it's a great indicator. Before we take a look at the numbers on this particular indicator, if you would please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. That's another thing that a lot of people don't do. And so give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. That'll just make YouTube happy. And we want to keep YouTube happy. So the numbers on this one. So what I did before was I kind of did just one Forex pair and one crypto pair, and it worked really well on those. And I've been going back and testing other Forex pairs and time frames. And so it seems to be around the 30 to 15 minute time frame on Forex pairs seem to work really well for the particular strategy and scalping in general. And so I know a lot of people are interested in scalping. And so that's the setup you'll want to use if you want to do scalping. So we did a 50 trade test on the Great Britain pound versus the Canadian dollar on the 30-minute time frame. And we did 50 trades. Of those 50 trades, we had 3 break-even trades. We had 32 winning trades and 15 losing trades. That's going to put us just under a 70% win rate. And total gain on that, if you were risking around $100 per trade, basically, the total gain on it would be around $1,300 altogether. By the time you calculate in kind of that slight difference between some of the take profits and some of the stops. All in all, again, a profitable trading strategy, still profitable trading strategy, even more profitable than it was before. The tweaks that Mike has made has really made a difference on some of these other Forex pairs and time frames. Also works on the regular stock market, higher time frames. Crypto market pretty much works just all around. And if you use some of the added in features that Mike included into it, gives you even more information, and in some cases could be even more profitable. And so if you are interested in this indicator, you first of all have to be a patron of the channel, and so join the Patreon program. You can find a link to that down below. Once you join the Patreon program, you will be sent a link to the indicator, and the indicator itself is $15. That goes to Mike for his time and effort that he put in to this indicator. And so a small price to pay for a really awesome indicator, and you can also get it on free trial to play around with it. And so a lot of great things. Again, a huge thank you for Mike for doing this for us, and we have even more cool things coming up in the very near future with automated strategies and other things that our patrons will also benefit from. And so becoming a patron of the channel isn't just getting this indicator. You get win rates, you get indicator lists, you get strategy lists, you get access to indicators, discounted versions of it, and lots of cool things coming in the future. So, all right, that's it for this indicator here. I know a lot of people have been itching for it. Mike has mentioned it quite a few times in our Discord server, and so it is officially being released at this point. And so if you are already a patron of the channel, just reach out to myself or Mike on Discord through the Patreon only channel and let us know, and we will send you the link to the indicator and set that up for you. So, all right, that's it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. That way it doesn't get any longer than it already is, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.